Hi class. So we're going to do our next problem here, and so that is 4.47 moles of carbon dioxide. What will the mass be in grams? And again, we're really paying attention to canceling out the grams. The grams on the bottom here and the grams on the top here cancel out like in fractions, so that I'm left with my answer in moles, which is what the question wants. Oh, this one, excuse me, this one you do the opposite of it so that your answer is left in grams and you're canceling out the moles. So that's just always be thinking of what units you want your answer in. So I'm going to set it up this way first. So first I have to find out the grams per mole of CO2. So carbon is equal to 12 grams per mole. And then oxygen is equal to 16 grams, but I've got two of them, so that's 32 grams per mole. And then I want to add both of those together. For CO2 has a grams per mole of 44 grams per mole CO2. Now I can plug that into my equation and figure out how many moles I have. I'm going to end up switching the grams, put the grams on the bottom, the moles on the top. Moles cancel out. I plug and chug. 4.47 times 44 grams. So I have 196.68 grams for that amount of moles. But you say, wait, where did I get these numbers? Well, you go over to the fancy periodic table I have here on the chart. My favorite computer periodic table is P table. So I got 16 from oxygen. You can see this here, grams per mole, and you can estimate. That's okay to do on these problems. And so two of those oxygens, and then for carbon, it's 12 grams per mole of carbon. So you're getting the grams per mole of that substance, carbon dioxide. But then look at this. I just want to show you a functionality of this because I love chemistry. You can go in here on this table and say, well, I wonder what the electron cloud configuration is like with oxygen. Click on electrons. Boom, there it is. Look at that. A three-dimensional view of what the electrons rotating and orbiting around and the electron clouds of oxygen would look like with all the SPDF, the S and P orbitals. So there you have it. Maybe a little more than you wanted for that problem, but just keep working those problems. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.